Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get iOS 18 developer beta in iPhone. So it's actually pretty simple. So before we get started though guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all just open up Safari and go to google.com like this. Before that, make sure you're on at least iOS 17, otherwise it won't work. So now just search for Apple developer beta, or just search for developer, yeah, like this. So now just click on the first link, and here you just have to create an account. Let me just wait for it to load, and then I'm just going to guide you guys through it. Waiting for it to load. Alright guys, so once you are on this home page, just click on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen, and then just click on account. And here you just have to log in into your account, and it will prompt you to agree to their terms and conditions, and then you can just download iOS 18 beta. It's that simple guys. If you found this video to be helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.